To assemble a LawnMaster Chipper Shredder, first unassemble the box. The box contents will be a hex key, 2 wheels, 2 hubcaps, 2 frame pieces, 1 axle, and 1 stick push. The box will also contain 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 B-pins. The box will also contain the housing with the hopper. So from here I'm going to take my 2 metal frames. The best way, there are 2 sides to the frame. The best way to know which side to insert on the housing, there are 2 notches that indicate this is the bottom of the frame. Now I'm going to want to insert this to where the bottom of the frame is facing outward on both sides. It's also important to note that there is a already built-in notch for a screw. You want to align that on the housing right there. So now I'm going to insert my second frame. And there are also built-in notches on the frame for the axle. So I'm just going to simply take the axle, insert it into the insertion, and once you put the axle in before you screw in these, it pretty much guarantees that the screws are going to align with the notch. So now I'm going to take a Phillips head screwdriver along with my 2 screws that came out of the box. I'm going to lock these down to secure the frame. So now once my screws are tightened, we will not need the Phillips head screwdriver the rest of the assembly. So now next from here, we want to insert our wheels onto the axle. So I'm going to take my wheel, I'm going to make sure this side is facing outward. I'm going to insert this on the axle. Take my second wheel, do the same. Now from here we want to lock these down, because as you can see they can slide off. So there is a notch built in on the axle to where I'm going to take my B-pin and lock it in with that. So to do so, we want to take our washer, put it on first, and then we're going to insert our B-pin with the flat side going in the pinhole. Simply push into place, and now our wheel will not come out. We're going to do the same on the other side, taking the washer, and then lock into place with your B-pin. And now from here, we want to put on our green hubcaps. There are 5 notches on the inner part of the wheel that will align with my hubcap. So I'm just going to line these up. And you want to get 2 aligned and then push in place the bottom 2, and it'll just snap into place. So now one of our last steps is to take our hex key, and there is a built-in holder on the cord. just going to put in our hex key on the holder. And the reason for the hex key is if you want to replace the blade on the chipper shredder, this is how you do so. For use, we'll put on our push stick. And this is for when you insert a stick in the chipper shredder, you push this down. So finished product, push the stick down. This is what the push stick does. And now your LawnMaster Chipper Shredder is ready for use.